Okay, this is a conventional external radio setup. You can see this is my base, this is my rover, this is my external radio, and then we have the battery and the cables. These are the cables, and then the external radio antenna at the back. You use external radio when you want it to go further. You want a longer range, radio range. That's when you use external radio. Now, my rover setup is as usual, just the rover and the whip antenna with my data logger. This is the normal conventional rover setup. Now, let me talk about the base setup. This is my base. This cable is called the base to radio cable. Base to radio cable. You can see it goes from inside the base to the radio. That's cable one. We are basically dealing with 3 cables when we are doing external radio. 3 cables. This one, the base to radio cable. Then we also have the power cable that goes from the radio to the external battery on the floor. Radio to battery cable. Radio to battery cable. That's the second cable. And then the third cable is external radio to antenna cable. External radio to antenna cable. These are the 3 cables you need when setting up your external radio. When you are connecting your external radio cables, there's something you need to pay attention to. You can see this red mark here on the cable. There's also a red mark on the receiver. Red to red, red to red, red to red. Make sure. Here too, red to red, red to red. You can see red to red, red to red. At the other side too, red to red. These 2 cables going into the external radio, red to red. Only this one on the top is different. You screw it in. You can see screw out. You can screw it out and you screw it in. You don't force it. Don't force it. It's a screw. You screw it. You can screw it in and screw it out. Take note. Remember, when doing external radio, you make sure you set up everything first. You plug the power last. When you are done with your job and you want to dismantle, first thing you do is you power off the receiver and then you disconnect the battery before the cables. Thank you. You can see our base setup here. We don't need the second tripod. We have set up a plate here, a flat plate under the tri-brack with a hole where the GNSS connector fits in here like this. And then we have our antenna. This helps you to save 1 tripod. You don't need 2 tripods to use external radio, which means lesser load for you. Like this, you are okay. It's the same signal, it's the same performance you are going to get, but now without the extra load of an extra tripod. Thank you.